I'll now introduce some cases where our W-Series wide travel compact machining centers are used. This customer is involved in machining large parts. These are EV-related aluminum die-cast workpieces with a size of 800 mm by 400 mm or larger. As machining requires large travels for both X and Y axes, this customer was using BT40 machines. In terms of machining details, however, Brothers BT30 machines are more than capable. After replacing BT40 machines with our W-Series, this customer was able to improve productivity by 30%. This is a case where both 1000 mm X travel and 500 mm Y travel are fully utilized. This customer is involved in machining medium-sized parts. These are semiconductor production equipment parts. In response to the increase in production volume, this customer wanted to machine multiple parts by one machine to improve productivity. Our W-Series was the best choice for this purpose. Generally, only one or two workpieces can be set on a compact BT30 machine, but more workpieces can be set on the W-Series machine because of the wide table. This customer is considering using the W-Series for other workpieces to expand the range of work, taking advantage of the productivity and table size of the W-Series. This customer is performing multi-product small volume production. As their production style is not mass production, improving productivity and reducing cycle time to the limit may not be the top priority. But better productivity is still necessary to produce many types of products within a limited time. With a table size equivalent to that of BT40 machines, our W-Series also demonstrates its full capabilities for customers engaged in multi-product small volume production. Various layouts are possible, such as setting multiple vices as shown in the figure, or mounting an index table together with vices. It is obvious that not just higher productivity, but also reduction in utility costs with less power consumption, will bring benefits to you. As you have now seen, the W1000Xd2 with the largest travels among BT30 machines has made significant advancements, focusing on high productivity and environmental performance. The possibilities of BT30 machines have been expanded by all possible ways. For example, adding a 28-tool magazine, increasing the Z-axis travel, providing a maximum table loading capacity of 500 kg, and enhancing spindle lineups. Please eliminate any waste in your worksite by replacing BT40 machines with the W1000Xd2. This concludes our introduction of the Speedio W1000Xd2 Wide Travel Compact Machining Center.